Happy Sunday, folks. It is Nicolasa. I'm coming to you with my repair from Louis Vuitton. I did drop this item off to Louis Vuitton on October 23rd. I was very surprised to get an email last week, November like 12th-ish, or actually before the 12th, telling me it was ready because that's only like 2 weeks, 2.5 tops. And so I do know that they ship these items out to be repaired. And again, I was surprised. I was looking towards the end of November for it to come back. I did drop the item off at Lennox Mall in Atlanta. I absolutely loved my experience. I bought the item. I'll just go ahead and let you know what I've got on the interior, then I'll remove the bag so you can see the item. It is a drawstring Louis Vuitton dust bag. They did include this already. When I went to go pick it up, it was already in the drawstring. If it wasn't in a drawstring, I was gonna ask for it. I did get a SA card from the lady that I am now going to be, looking to be my sales associate. And then of course a receipt. Behind you, you see the bag. It is an LV Petite bucket bag. It was repaired, so obviously you see the lighter color vachetta trim on the top and the honey colored on the handles and bottom. I don't mind that because it doesn't look too weird to me, and I know that over time this will blend. I do just have like a little decorative scarf on there, but there's nothing wrong with the bag. The interior was just like the other interiors of bags this age. With time, they kind of deteriorate. The material on the interior was deteriorating. It has something to do with humidity, but also just the material is a material that deteriorates. Hold on a sec. So on the interior, I'm just gonna take my trouse out. 1 second. I'm gonna take my Rosalie wallet out. The smaller wallet is what I use for this bucket bag. My masks, I have like 2 candy, of course, and then my trouse, my clay, which is attached to the D-ring. I was not asked if I wanted to buy the interior little pouch that goes in this bag. I know one of the members on my channel did say that I would be offered that, and I was not. So I didn't, push it or what have you. All of it has been relined. That's my alcohol spray for this pandemic. I'm actually gonna put my mask right in there with that so that I know, it's in one spot. As you can see, the bucket bag is deceptively large by being the petite bucket. I can fit my trouse 18 inside along with a Rosalie, and I still have plenty of room over there for other things. So I do have an agenda right here. Just 1 second. I have an A6 agenda from Julio, and if I wanted to, I could totally throw that in, I think, with no problem. Okay, so there's my A6 agenda, my Rosalie. I could even have a full-size wallet, and my trouse. Everything that I would potentially need. And there you have it. The repair was $150. The bag itself was $280. I got the bag from eBay, aka Japan. I knew that getting it, I would have to replace the interior. That was one of the things I had already, banked on. So all in, less than $500 for this lovely bag. Very minor wear to the bag itself, along with the vachetta, even honey patina. That's something I look for. I could at some point replace my handles. If you would like to see a reveal on this bag, please go and check that video out. I do have a reveal on it when I first received it, so you could see the loveliness that was done to it from Louis Vuitton. My experience was amazing. Like I said, I wasn't asked questions about where I got the bag or anything. They didn't give me a problem. They gave me a quote for the $150, and that's pretty much it. And again, I got it back in like 3 weeks. So all in all, my experience was amazing. So if you're thinking about getting a bag and something stopping you because basically it's in great condition, but something needs to be replaced, like a handle or anything like that, don't hesitate, because you could actually take it in and get it fixed, and I think that's even better for the environment. And people have said that the older Louis Vuittons are better quality. This one was from 2005 originally, but as you guys can see, well, you haven't seen because I didn't show you, on the D-ring, it has now been updated to reflect the new date, the fixing. So if you can kind of see here, it's DK 3260, which is the 36th week of 2020. All right, definitely wipeable now. I don't, have a problem putting my items in. I love it. For $150, totally worth the money. And then, of course, the bag itself was like $280. Look at how big it is, okay? I can wear this on my shoulder because it adjusts. There's 3 or 4 adjustable holes. And then I can also carry this in my hand, okay? So you guys, all in all, great deal, great deal. All right, you guys, please be sure to like and subscribe. I apologize for the interruptions. My son is not feeling well, but he was supposed to be asleep. You guys have a great Sunday, and pray for me. I'll pray for you. Be sure to continue to remain COVID-free. Thank you.